Now we'll start the server and then we'll go to the website. So as you can see, the server has been created. Uh, yeah, so this is the filter criteria according to the city. So let's say we select. So this contains all the cities initially. Now let's say we select Mumbai and submit, and this will showcase all the Mumbai cities. And similarly for Jaipur and every other city, we can also see the admin panel. So in this we can see the cron jobs, which are there are two cron jobs which are scheduled for 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. And there is property details. So these are all the property details that I've scraped. So initially I have 230 entries. Now I'll run the cron job and show you how the details are actually added. So I'll stop the server for a moment and run the cron job. So now we are going to run the cron job. Let's start. And now it will scrape through the Selenium. It will use Selenium and scrape through the data on 99acres.com. So it will open the Selenium browser. So let's see. Yeah, it's started. So first it goes to each specific city, then it will go to another page. As we saw before that there were about 239 entries, so it will automatically increase if we, let's say, let it run for a couple of minutes, and then we'll look at the data again in our database. So here it is going through each of the pages that were present um, in the at the end of the page. It has counted the number of pages and it will go through each of the pages, and it will scrape through the property name, area type, cost, etc. So I'll just let it run for a minute, and then we'll for check if any additional entries have been added or not. So yeah, I think this is about it. I'll run the I'll run the server again, and let's check whether the database has any additional entries or not. So there were about 239 details entries below before. Now let's see if the server has started running again or not. No, it still isn't running. So you can see that it's not responding because the server is down. So it will open in a minute. Yes, so I think it started. I'll just open it again. And now we'll look at the research. So you can see the entries have been updated.